how to create invoice in Zoho Books. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let me teach you how you will be able to create an invoice over here. So it's actually very simple, very straightforward. What you're going to do is you're going to select your sales over here on the left side and you will be able to see an invoice option. Simply select our invoice version or option and then click on new invoice, which will allow us to, as you can see here, simply select our transaction preferences over here. Simply select the ones that you like, then save and continue. And now simply enter your other information such as your order number, the salesperson, the subjects, the item details. Simply type in your item over here or select it from your list over here, put in the quantity and so on and so forth. And then you can simply save and send it to whoever you want to send it to. So you could either save and print as well, or save and share, or save and send later. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.